Morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is whole numbers. The chapter number 2, whole numbers. Okay. What is whole number? The number that starts with 0. Okay. The number that starts with 0 is known as whole numbers. If the number of sets that starts with 1, 2, 3, etc. If a number starts with the number 1, then it is known as natural numbers. Okay. First one, the number that starts with 0 is known as whole numbers. If the number starts with 1, then it is known as natural numbers. Okay. So, now we have to find the predecessor and successor. Predecessor and successor. What is predecessor and what is successor? Predecessor and successor is nothing but you have already learned the before number and after number, isn't it? So, the predecessor is nothing but the before number. Successor is nothing but the after number. So, I am taking the number 18. Okay, I am taking a number 18. I have to find the predecessor as well as the successor. Okay, so the predecessor is nothing but 18 minus 1 is equal to 17. This is known as predecessor, and the successor is nothing but 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. So, the predecessor of number 18 is 17 and the successor of 18 is 19. Okay. Do you got the difference between these two? Okay. So, this is the predecessor and the successor. This is the method we have to find. Okay. Next one I am taking as number lines. What's that? Number line. What is number line? I am drawing a line. Then I start writing the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. Okay. This is the number line. So, we are going to learn addition, subtraction and multiplication on number line. Okay, these three methods, three operations that we are going to do through number lines. Okay, let's see how to find. First I am taking the number line. Okay, 0 to 10. Now first we are going to find the predecessor and successor on the number line. Okay, how to find? I am taking a number 6. Okay, the 6 is the number. What is the predecessor of the number 6? So, 6 minus 1, that is the predecessor. So, 5. So, 5 is the predecessor of the number. Okay, next 6 plus 1 is the successor. So, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So, 7 is the successor. 7 is the successor. Okay, this is how we have to find this is the method we have to find predecessor and successor. Is it any difficult? Is that any difficult? No. Okay, we have to subtract one number and we have to add one number to find the predecessor and the successor. Okay. Next, I am taking the addition on number line. Okay, addition on number line. How to add the numbers? Okay, I am taking a number 7 plus 2. Okay, what's the number I have taken? 7 plus 2. So, I have to add these two numbers. So, the first number is 7. Okay, So I have to find number 7 in number lines. Okay, I found out the number 7. Then I have to add 2 numbers. So I have to jump 2 steps. So 7, 1 and then 2. After 2 jumps, I got the number 9. So the answer is 9. Okay, got it? For addition, I am taking the first number 7. Then I jump 2 steps. So after jumping 2 steps, I got the answer 9. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Okay, is it clear? Okay, this is the method to find the addition. We have to jump forward. For addition, we have to jump forward. Okay, let's see the same for subtraction. Subtraction. Okay, so I am taking the same. Okay, then I am taking the same number 7 minus 2. First, for addition, I have taken 7 plus 2. Now, I am going to take 7 minus 2. So, now I have to subtract the number. So, 7 minus 2. First, I have to find the number 7. Okay, I mark the number 7. Then, I have to jump 2 steps. But, we have to jump backward. Okay, for addition only we have to jump forward. For subtraction, you have to jump backward. So 7, 1 and then 2. So I got the answer 5. Okay, this is the backward. Okay, if there is addition, if it is an addition question, you have to jump forward. If it is a subtraction, you have to jump backwards. Okay, this is the difference between the addition and the subtraction. Okay. So 7 minus 2, 7, 1, 2. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, this is the subtraction on number lines. Is there any difficult to find the answer? No. Okay. So next one is multiplication. Next one is multiplication. Okay, I am taking the same number lines and choosing the number 4 into 3. I have to find the answer 4 into 3. Okay, 4 into 3 I have to find. So, I took 4 into 3. I took 4 into 3. This is the question I am taking. So, 4 into 3. First, I have to jump 4 steps to 4. So, I have to jump from 0 to 4 because 4 is the first number. So 4 times 4 we have to jump 3 times. Okay, each 4 steps we have to jump 3 times. So I jump 1 to 4. Okay, then second 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I am taking the number up to 12. So 8. Next step 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I jump the 4 steps each 3 times. Okay, 1 time, 2 time and 3 time. So at last I got the answer 12. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Is it clear? Is it clear all of you? Okay. So this is the 3 methods in the number lines to find. Okay. What is the 3 methods? Addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay. So I am repeating multiplication once again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first I am taking the number 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 5. So 2 numbers, each 2 numbers I have to jump. How many times I have to jump? 5 times. Each 2 step I have to find, I have to jump 5 times. Okay, so I am jumping 1, so 1, 2. Okay, 2 steps. Next 1, 2. Second step. So 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I jump 5 times number, each number 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times I finished. Okay, so at last what the number? 10, isn't it? So 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Is it clear? Okay, this is the method that we are going to, that we learned today. What we learned today? First, what is the difference between the natural number and the whole number? The number that starts with 1 is known as natural number and starts with 0 is known as whole numbers. Then the types of number lines, that is addition on number lines, subtraction on number lines and multiplication on number lines. Okay, for addition you have to jump forward each. Okay, one place you have to jump, and same stuff for subtraction, but we have to jump backward. Okay, you should not jump forward, you have to jump for backward. Then next one is the multiplication. So multiplication, taking the 2 numbers. So 2, if you are taking 2 into 5, so 2 steps we have to take, then we have to jump 5 times. Okay, this is the multiplication. These are the topics and concepts that we learned today. Okay, I hope all have understood this topic. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so let's we meet in the next class. Okay, thank you.